Hey guys, this is the first time I've ever talked to y'all straightforward, but I just wanted to say that I'm like a big Christian and I want to spread the word, so I'm gonna start making videos because Facebook's kind of not working out. You can look me up. Here's all my stuff. You got my Facebook page, my name, my other Facebook page, Twitter. Take a second to look at that. Okay, so you can hit me up. I'd love to talk to you guys if I get some time, if I get to know you, via text or whatever. But, anyways, I'm not saying YOLO really affects me because it's a great saying, but it doesn't mean you should go out and party. So, you only live once on Earth. You live again there. So, that's basically all I gotta say with this video. Hope you guys, hit me up so I get noticed or whatever. So,